Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make quesadillas on a griddle full guide. Start by preheating your griddle to medium-high, about 375 degrees F, so it's hot but not smoking. While it heats, prep fillings like shredded cheese, cooked chicken, sautéed peppers, and onions. Keep toppings layered thin for even melt and quick cook time. Use a spatula to press gently and fold, checking underside for golden brown before flipping. Assemble quesadillas with intention. Cheese first, then fillings, then another sprinkle of cheese to bind. Keep fillings thin and centered so the tortilla folds cleanly and cooks evenly. If using wet ingredients, pat them dry to avoid soggy results. For crisp edges, brush the griddle with a little oil and use medium heat to achieve a golden crust while the interior melts fully. Press gently when cooking to encourage even contact. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like, it really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control keeps floors tidy while you cook, and it's a fun kitchen companion. I love how it handles crumbs after a busy meal prep. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Place assembled quesadilla on the hot griddle and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes per side until golden brown and cheese is melted. Flip gently with a wide spatula and press lightly to help seal the edges and encourage even melting. Watch edges for browning and adjust heat if needed to avoid burning. Transfer to a cutting board, let sit for about 1 minute, then slice into wedges for neat servings and easier handling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.